This is Beatrice with Eden Unique Creations. Welcome to my channel. So this weekend I took a trip out to Wonderground Fabrics in Ripon, California. And this was my first time visiting the store, the new location. And they have a variety of items, a bag maker's dream. I slowed down the video so that way hopefully you can see the items in detail. I did label the sections as I was going, but they just have so many options. Here are the zipper pulls, and they just have so many options. Zipper tape in a variety of colors. Here they have the bag hardware. I was very impressed. They have so many options of colors and styles. Bag tags. They have the wall of assorted webbing, the different sizes, and just so many options, different colors and patterns. I'm walking here into the notions section. Here I am walking up to the display of templates. Here I am approaching the area of patterns, the kits. One thing is to see it on the video or on the TV, but when in person, you're able to touch the kits and look at them in detail. It was so much fun. I probably spent about 2 hours in the store. I'm approaching the fabrics and the threads. The variety of waterproof canvas and luxe nylon, um, the plain, the solid colors, and then the printed, a variety of printed luxe nylons. So impressive. This section was the jelly vinyls, clear vinyls. Over here was the um, solid color of vinyls and both suedes and the glitter vinyls. Printed vinyls. So if you plan to visit the store, go with time. There's just so much to look at. So I purchased a few items. These vinyl squares were a great price, or 5 for $1. I got some waterproof canvas and some zipper tape that I needed for a project that I'm doing um, with my new fabrics there. So again, if you plan to visit, go with time. You'll have a lot of fun, and there's so many options. One of the things that I did not film was the classrooms in the back. Very spacious in the back. So I'd like to thank Wonderground Fabrics for allowing me to record and showing you all the varieties and options that they have. For now, oh, thank you. Bye.